High winds tearing a hole in the roof of Hangar B at the port of Tillamook Bay early Wednesday morning. A gaping hole 160 to 180 feet long.
And it's probably 30 feet wide at the widest part. It is letting rain in. We have cleared out some of the area.
Michelle Bradley is the GM for the port. She says while nothing was damaged inside and no one was injured, the concern remains for what's still hanging from the roof.
The outside roof didn't blow off. It just folded over. So now it's hanging down, which creates an even more a bigger safety issue on the outside. So we don't know how to get that piece down, and that's what we're trying to evaluate right now.
This isn't just any building. It's a historic building built in the 1940s when the U.S. was at war.
It's almost 83 years old. The Navy built it in World War II.
Bradley says the port has explored rehabbing the hangar in the past, but says it's complicated and expensive.
There's a lot of moving parts to it. It's on the National Register, so you have to have historic considerations. The permitting, it already has a few layers of roof, so you know the roofing rules may be different.
As Tillamook continues to get hammered with rain, the port says any fix to one of the few blimp hangars left in the country will need to wait.
There's nothing we can do, especially if we're expecting more 55-mile-an-hour gusts, because it might take that piece off.
The port says that it'll probably be about a week before they can get up there to really assess the damage again once this weather stops. Now, the rain, not only an issue here for the hangar at the Tillamook Air Museum, but also for those living here. NOAA says 2 rivers here in this area, the Wilson and the Trask, under flood warnings until tomorrow. Back to you.
Just a couple more. We can hear that wind there and appreciate you braving the rain for us. You look soaked, Devin. Stay dry. Appreciate